So first things first, this box is really cool. I mean, packaging is awesome. It's got this magnetic thing here. Yeah, pretty cool box. But yeah, the buds come right there, but I already opened it kinda. This is the charging case. Boom, slide it open. Again, the earbuds are magnetic as well, so you can drop it in. Boom. But yeah, I tested them out. The sound quality is incredible. So if you're in the market for some earbuds, these are some good ones. Soundcore by ANKER soundcore 2020 Delivery 2 Pro. Yeah, good stuff. But yeah, so what you get, you open it up, check this out. Comes with medium ear wings and then medium earbuds installed already, but it also comes with small ear wings and large ear wings, and then extra small, medium plus, large, extra large, and large earbuds. So whatever size ears you have, it'll work. And then the charging cord has a little strap here to Velcro to keep your cord nice and tidy. And it's standard USB. This is the micro USB-C. Plug that into the back here, and they're really easy to set up. They connected and paired the first time, and I had no trouble pairing them to my phone. So yeah, check them out.